I don't necessarily buy the saturation argument.
Okay.
Because being an attorney back in the day is very different from being an attorney now. There are far more avenues, there are far more areas of law that you can specialize in, right? So the old way of doing things when you come to a one lawyer and it's a one-stop shop, no more. I run a law firm where we specialize. So you will have the civil department. They don't do criminal law. You'll have the personal injury
Conveyancing.
department. They don't do criminal law. You have conveyancing department. They don't do civil. They don't do litigation. So you have many areas, and in those areas, like in litigation, you can do different types of litigation or litigation in a particular area,
True.
right? And in personal injury, you can do personal injury of a particular kind. You can do medical, you can do, the accidents, the car accidents, or you can go around and sue doctors. So you can develop special areas of practice. We never had that back then, right? There's competition law. There's no compliance with new legislations that are coming in, which lawyers, once it is that you're competent in that area, your knowledge, your expertise will be sought after
Right.
by corporate Jamaica. So the profession is changing. What we need to do, our young lawyers need to do, they need to capitalize on these changes and stop sitting around and saying, boy, me can't find a work. Boy, me can't do this, me can't do that. If it requires you saying to a friend, you and I, let us start something. Let us call TWP and get some guidance from some senior lawyers. Call over Duncox, call somewhere, get the senior lawyers on board and say, could I get some guidance? Could you just shadow me? Can I put you on my letterhead as a consultant so that we can consult with you? What they lack is the ingenuity. Are we back yet?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Is everybody back? Yes, they
Uh,
look like they're back. Yes.
yeah.
What we lack really is the ingenuity and the drive for success. Lawyers now come out of law school and they say, I am out. Can I be rich now, please? Where is the fancy car?
Yeah.
Oh, I really have to do more work? No, I never planned for this. But let me tell you all something as young attorneys. When you come out of law school, the playing field is leveled again. So if you are a student, yeah, you can dead for hungry. If you're a B student, you can dead for hungry. If you're a C student, you can dead for hungry same way. You understand?
Yeah.
So therefore, it requires for you to use that knowledge, yes, that knowledge that you have gained, and employ and deploy for ingenuity. Create something if it is that you find that whatever area you want to get into, you can't get into, or whatever firm you want to get into, you can't get into. Create something. Use your knowledge, use your mind, and be creative.
Wow.
So don't sit down and talk about, boy, lazy. And that is what I find.